Cassie. Diddy. You got one right here, homie.
I see you, boss.
Now you know I had to get on this one too, boy. I love this shit.
This is the remix.
My type of talk right here, nigga. Diddy, I got you, homie.
Let's go.
You're so beautiful, it seems like you remind me of visions I only see in my dreams. Floating around barefooted, beauty universal, angelic, pretty like you shooting a perfume commercial. The type of beauty when you step out the shower like Aquafina water beads dripping off your skin. You turn me on with your hand rubbing over that water that smell good. Carol's daughter blowing in the wind. Let's go. So electric how you're symmetrically put together, so genetically impeccable. Make me wanna speak elaborate whenever we talk. Your soft pillow touching feeling is incredible. The way you hold a nigga, my heart flutter. Now I'm digging you deeper than passionate love making. As I'm thinking that there ain't no mistaking how we blossom and look. See, our destiny is waiting.
This is something I never wanted.
This is the remix.
I've been on it. I think about you all the time. Can't get you off my mind. I know it's